Hey class, this is your instructor here, Pat O'Hara. We are wrapping up week 8 of the term, and I just wanted to really take a moment to thank all of you for making this one of the best groups that I've seen here at SNHU. Our discussions from week to week have been fantastic, especially this week, I think, as we're really wrapping up the term. It shows the character of this class as a whole, the dynamic that you've developed over the last 8 weeks, because we've really ventured out of the field of history, and we're really in the process of discussing some real controversial and tough social issues and economic issues that all of us are in one way, shape, or form dealing with here as citizens of the United States. One of the great parts about this course is that in discussing post-1945 history, it's a history that all of us in one way, shape, or form have been an active part of, rather than some of the other courses in this class where we're examining the contributions of generations past. Here we start to see the contributions of your own generations. And for that reason, a lot of us have grown up with different opinions, ways of looking at things. And as we're looking at issues such as social welfare issues, for example, this week, we've really been doing a great job of disagreeing with each other, arguing about the issues, but doing so in an extremely respectful and respectful and courteous way, which in the end is way more productive than some of the things that many of you probably see on social media today, where it just kind of devolves into attacks and negativity. And I really think that we took an opposite approach here. We could probably post this forum this week as an example of what things like Facebook in an ideal world might look like, where we're discussing issues in just such a respectful way. And for that, I just wanted to thank you, and that's why I'm making this video. I know a member of our class, Jonathan, he referred to it as, I believe, civil disagreement, which is just such a great term because it shows exactly what we're going for. We're in a diverse group of 27 or 28 students, and myself included here, that all of us have different ways of looking at things because we all grew up at different times in different social, ethnic, economic backgrounds. So we've had different things to shape our opinions, and you're just doing a fantastic job sharing those opinions in a way that's respectful to everyone. I really hope you enjoyed the course. If I could be of any assistance on anything as we wrap things up, I'm still here. I'm always actively checking my emails. The number of announcements in the class might have died down as the later weeks of the course went on, but I just want to make sure that I'm very much available. So post to the Q&A, send me an email, give me a call, whatever you need. And we only have a few days left, so the big thing is to make sure that everything is wrapped up by Sunday. This class has been really remarkable about getting things in on time, or being communicative about instances where you might need a little extra time. But Sunday's a really hard deadline, so if you have anything to wrap up by Sunday that's not going to be able to be wrapped up by Sunday, please, you got to get in touch with me ASAP so we can work out some sort of plan. But other than that, I hope you all have a great weekend. I hope the weather's a little bit nicer where you're at rather than the pouring rain that I have here today. And that's about it. Have a great day. Bye.